Hi there, welcome to the Qlik Sense training course. Today I'll give a brief overview on the Qlik Sense product and its unique capabilities, and we'll take a sneak peek on that. What is Qlik Sense? Imagine an analytics tool that's so intuitive, anyone in your company could easily create personalized reports and dynamic dashboards to explore vast amounts of data and finding meaningful insights. So that's analytics tool is Qlik Sense. It's a revolutionary self-service data visualization and discovery application designed for individuals, groups, and organizations. With QlikSense, everyone in your organization can easily create flexible, interactive visualizations and make meaningful decisions. So what is it unique capable to? So using QlikSense, you can make a stunning data discoveries and explore simple and complex data to find the hidden data relationships you didn't know you could find it. So let's look at some of the unique capabilities. So one is the smart visualizations, reveal hidden insights, smart search capability that gives you ultimate flexibility. You can explore multiple data sources in a single app. There is a rich data storytelling, helps you collaborate and share insights. There is an extendable capabilities using KPIs, and you have an infographics using extensions, and it's very easy to use, and it's in-memory solution, and it has direct discovery too, and it is associative engine. So there is a smart visualization, so it has a pretty rich and good looking visualizations. And there are smart search. The search capability allows you to search all the data within your dashboard, and you can explore the multiple data sources. You can connect to any number of data sources, write it via big data or SQL Server, Oracle, or Sybase, or whatever the data source that you wanted to connect. You can connect in a single app as well. And you can have a rich data storytelling capability, where you can create your own story and you can share it with others and you can collaborate on the story. And there is an extendable capabilities using KPIs. You can customize the QlikSense product as the way you like and for your enterprise needs using APIs. And if you want to bring another infographics or D3 visualizations, you can do that using extensions. And it's pretty easy to use tool, and it is an in-memory solution, so everything, the data is cached, so that gives you a flexibility and it will answer your questions with a faster response. The response time is pretty lower and user experience will be very good in that case. And you have a direct discovery feature also, where you can, instead of in-memory, you can also go and fetch the data from the database on time. And we have the associative engine QlikSense. So this offers everything is data is connected. So this is not a predefined or pre-joined data. So this will give you an feature where you can build the hidden stories within your data. So let's look at the next slide. Sneak peek of QlikSense product. In this topic, let's go over the QlikSense product and see what are the capabilities that it has. Let's go into the QlikSense product. So I'm going to the hub in the browser. Closing this data box. Let's choose any dashboard that you like. In this case, I'm choosing the executive dashboard. So there you can see the executive dashboard, and you have the dashboard image that you want to edit it. You can edit here using this, and you can write the description that you like. And there are three sections here: the sheets, bookmarks, and stories. The sheets gives you the different sheets that you created, and if you do any bookmarks, it will give the bookmarks, and you can create your own story also using this dashboard. So let's go into the sheets. Go into the first one is KPI dashboard. So here you can identify the KPIs. You can see the expenses per target, where they stand, revenue versus last year revenue, and account receivable overdue. That's the percentage. And we have some pie charts and donut charts saying that expenses by account, revenue by products, amount overdue by customers. You can see the expenses trend, revenue trend, and year trend. So unlike in other products, in QlikSense you have an ability to explore. So there you can see the explore menu. That explore gives you the flexibility to explore more on this particular visualization. Let's say if you want to explore this particular object, I'm just going to click on it. So it's going to expand it. So this has a different feature where you can choose the presentation you like. Let's say I don't want a donut, I want to see it as a pie, so I can see it as a pie. And you want to see it as a share instead of values, so you can see the values are changing here, right? And you want to show them, you just say none. Switch to the different way, and you can say apply the changes. And if you want to further explore or you want to change the sorting, the order, you can do the sorting order. Just drag and drop. Everything here is click away. Apply the changes. Once your exploration done, you can close this. So this has a beautiful search capability also. There's a smart search that we have. So you can click on it and you can search for the data. Say sales. So if you start typing, it will search all the fields that you have it in your dashboard. It will also give you suggestions whether you want to search for salaries or the particular words that you want to search. So let's say if you select particular customer based on your search, the data will filter everything on the particular search. So this is a smart search capability that QlikSense has, and you can clear the selections using this clear all selections. And whatever you select on your the objects, it's gonna select only the particular ones. So once your selection is done, confirm the selection, and it's gonna everything else is filtered based on that your selection. You can clear your selection using this way. And going to the next sheet, you can traverse between the sheets using this arrow mouse. So you can have a filters. You can select a particular alternatives. These are all the filters and list boxes that we have. You can confirm the selection. You can see the particular alternate segment description. You can see how that revenue is doing and average sales per day and the sales versus margin with sales rep. You can clear the selections. You can also select using the shift, and you can make a selection as the way you like, and you can confirm the selection. And you can see how the sales force margin is doing and margin target is how much, and how who are past the margin target, you can find it out easily. So there is an additional capability. You can hold search and you can just drag and write the way you like. This will also select the particular area that you're interested in, and you can see how the sales are doing using that. So this is a different way of exploring in QlikSense. And the similar way you can also do an exploration here if you want to analyze this particular thing, and you can also change the colors and trends. Right now it is by dimension, like a heat map it is doing right now, right? So if you want to change it by dimension, then everything will have a single different colors. If you just want to have a single color, you can have that as well. And you can also change the presentation to, instead of horizontal, you can have them as a vertical, and you can change the sort also the way you like. So you want to see the revenue in ascending order or descending order, and these are the dimensional measures we have. Either you can apply or cancel your changes just after your exploration. So the next thing, you can go to the next sheets this way. This is a tree map that you see on the left. This is the revenue by sales app. Right, you see the sales versus margin, amount owed due by DS versus DSO, average sales per day versus AR average balance, the scatter plots that we have, and the table on the right hand side, the CVA sales force. So you can make a selection on particular, let's say you want to see how the restaurants are doing. Just click on restaurant and KPS. So just confirm your selection, and this is going to give you the sales versus margin on that and the particular product and sales. So you can further drill down and select particular the sales rep. In this case is Ken Roberts. When you click on sales rep, you can see the how sales Ken Roberts is doing versus sales and sales margin. So you can also select on a particular product as well. So these are the different ways of exploration. So let's see if I wanted to create a story out of it, right? So identified that these are all the revenue web products. So I want to tell a story out of it. So how do I create a story in QlikSense? So you have an option. You can see once you mouse over, you will get an option like take a snapshot. The exploration we already have seen it, and this is for the full screen where you can analyze further. So if you want to take a snapshot, you can take a snapshot of this. Let's say I take the snapshot. So like this, and the revenue trend I'm taking a snapshot as well. Okay. So now I can start creating the story. So there is a story menu on the top. So you can write your own story. So in this case, I'm calling it as test. So you can click on the test story. So where you can right hand side, you can see the snapshot library, text objects and the effects, a shape library and the effects library and the media objects. So since I already taken the snapshots, you can click on this and just pull on this the particular chart object. And I have one more snapshot I've taken, revenue by trend. So I can take that as well. So if I want to highlight something, I can also use the effects library. I want to highlight the highest value here. Just drag and drop. So it's going to highlight and show the others. One is the highlight here. So this is a chart, and now I have a flexibility to uh, export this story into PowerPoint or a PDF. Let's export this story into the PowerPoint. So you can choose a standard size. Just click on export. So this way you can build your own stories, and you can bring it as a PowerPoint so you can share it with others. So this way you can collaborate, and it's pretty easy, right? So you can build a story within a few minutes. Let's download it. You can just click on this link, and that's gonna download your PPT. You can just click on it. So you can see the PowerPoint generator. So this is pretty much, and you can easily create your stories using the QlikSense product. So let's go back. So once you're done with your story, you can save it. And you can use this option, go to the app overview. So these are the new story that we have created. And you can also add the text the way you like. And you can also add an image to the story. And creating a bookmark, you can click on the create new bookmarks using this icon. So before clicking creating a bookmark, let's choose some selections. So I'm selecting this. I'm interested in this period. So now I can create a bookmark. So using this test, so let's see, even after you make clear all your selections, you can just go and select the particular test bookmark and you're back to your bookmark selections. So these are the different capabilities that the end user will experience. Thank you very much.